Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Namar ka jing bumhun gi bahaying hasam jong ka Samla Diana CH Marak kabala yap hotel lai Phasi jika Kaiphod postmortem kabala jiah ka hostel jong ki kinthei kabala Shillong Polytechnic Institute Maulai ha ka hendreu ter jemang arajar arpusau kala penlong yi ki kinhun seng bahalang bapher jong ka rilum Garo ki bakintop ya ka FKJGP GSU ADE AYWO but FAF mentaka sengi ka arpulai terik unaitung ban le yekendo ye ke deputy commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills ke kongrusta kurba ban Dawa Jingtohkit dengan magisterial inquiry halor ke ke jingjia ban lap ye ke jingshisha halor ke jingklat jong ke ke Samla kumban syukudo hang ni haga step jong ka hendreu terik jemang arjar arpusau lalap ye ke medyap jong ke Samla Diana CH Marak kepada Sdien Phasi ha kepada Suba bagani ke Samla kala shimno ira ke jingim da ke Sdien Phasi ila de ke Samla Diana kadai ke badang don arpusau snem karata kepada na Babu para Tura West Garo Hills District bad ke badang puri ha ke 4th semester civil engineering ha Shillong Polytechnic Maulai habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor nakalyang president jong ke FKJGP Garo Hills Zone upritam areng ulaong baka Dawa jongki Jingtohkit dengan magisterial inquiry kadai hadin ba nakalyang kibahing hasem kani ke Samla kila penpau bakim hun satyaya ke Kaiphod postmortem halor ke jingklat kata ke Samla namar kat kum kidak kishin ke balapau haga met ke phat jong kani ke Samla kidonru kidak mong bat kidak jingem haga met jongka
Jingwan ikan jongi mentasi i komisioner jongi iskasil di wan bar semban lang i parano lam jongi po Garo Hills bakin top ke FKJP YWO Garo Students Union bat ki FAF di jingwan jongi bani kendu i DC di por mamata kalau ba hadin ke jingkerpat nak liang jongi bayi jamboi kena Samla puli wala tak suklat kuni ka santrik akan rutrik jumie melatih kopteng gumi Daina dimri CH Marak balakhat antai po politik apo idi kena puli 4th semester tigat kumga jingsiam juga bahiyang ki omba kim simlahun satia yang postmortem report pat kidon ka jing subasnir ba shalndak tingi nak yang kaseng hadian mengilai asnoi ke jing ut jing nam jing ki bahiyang ki bala pentip iki ngelam jungi sport gerhus tina kalian jok seng isno bakal di kamram jungi begini kendu iki boring beri kini karang ba kinle ya ke ibu rekam tikat kum gejingi kenduk jungi BDC mentasni tolong ba nakalian jungi nak pular ba ne ka Majistor inquiry pat enrei na banya itu ka kendon juga ai nomor ba ka jurisdiction ka wai pan le nang ni pat setis poktura di nakalian jong department ke sekendok enrei ka Majistor inquiry operation ni nakalian jong BDC jungi iskasil sila pular ba jingkia pat ban tentulun ni kam sekmat bat kaba ar kaba nilai keren BDC yang kena janmit umta kalau ba hadin bingilai i bukum kini gijing jagidan te kapolong ni kum kaseng ban bu gijing kili bakat kita ki hostel ki budan kini ki jaka kuli go per khamtam ki hostel sinrang de ba khamtam ki hostel kentai kidai bunan yang CCTV di hari kat bem bagi lap aku singi kalau ba kat kum gijing itu jingi bahien bat ki perlok jingi po Garo Hills ki yang hadin balik ki jaka ba isa ini semua kuli balkhat no kasih CCTV rukam dan kum kini ki berfait yang semua nakalian dak seng ibu ke kentu ya ka sorkar ba kum kini ki cakap puli di bundan be kini ki CCTV karena makan kan singan ya ka kita ki semua puli masa antu bat ada gidan kinu ki bakla ni ki bombet yang hang ni tai ni la ban yo kan kita jing sia ban pesaki lara kalau hang nu kam kemudian nak takon hang lihat ki semua puli dan ini kan juga. Oh ya kata kadika jing sngo juga bahiyang juga nakaliang juga sangin nomlak ban keno ini nuru hakapor adu ni kelamat wamta rede hadian ba ki bahiyang ki wan ut wan nam ni minungelam juga sek nomor nakaliang juga bahiyang ki ada file ke FIR rede teng ki popli nadu no Garo Hills kenwan sini khamtam ki badi ki nong kendong isi ki don no ka jing siap tie ki ong ba le si ba ngide ki nong kendong men musim kia kam joki de nak ki kerpat ni seng malang kabangin wan ban simkia ya ki benta nakam ta juga yang kesem kejoki ti hadian bangila sungtho pat ba nakaliang DC la pular bale ya Majistor inquiry miru insa budien pat khanang ba yin penio ya justice dan ni tak jing bisyar bahok ya ni golong yeng kelama ini ka lanot.
We came here today to meet the deputy commissioner of East Khasi district because there have been one case regarding one of our students who was pursuing her fourth semester in Shillong Polytechnic Institute. Nonetheless, I think it's on the 6th of May, in the early morning, I think it's the wee hours, around 3 a.m. Her body was found hanging in the Polytechnic Girls Hostel, inside the Polytechnic Girls Hostel. But the family members and the clan members of the deceased, they asked us to give them an audience, and so we met them. And after meeting them, they gave us so many things to ponder upon. And they showed us some photographs also. After seeing the photographs and comparing the stories that was narrated to us by the family members, there is some kind of doubt in our minds also that it might not be a simple case of suicide, but there might be certain elements involved in it. So, but we are not accusing anyone at the moment, but we came to the Deputy Commissioner to ask for a magisterial inquiry, because the family members are not satisfied, contented with the post-mortem report itself, because the medical officer, he or she excluded the histopathology part of the post-mortem, because they struck down the whole histopathology part, and they did not send any specimen for conducting histopathology. And as per the clan members and the family members, histopathology is a must for any post-mortem to be taken seriously, for any autopsy report to be taken seriously. And according to them, as per the law, if a female is concerned in case of a death of a female, histopathology is a must. So it should be conducted as it is mandated by the law. It is as per the claims of the clan members. So basically, because the clan members and the family members, they have approached us, so it became our duty to come and meet the Deputy Commissioner and look into the matter, because even the post-mortem report was denied to the family members and the clan members for more than 2 weeks, even after the post-mortem was conducted and the report was made ready, but they were denied the reports. So they are quite unhappy, and they are asking for magisterial inquiry, and some of their family members are also coming today. I think they'll also meet the DC separately on their own, but for the time being, we as responsible organizations, we're taking up the issue. We are asking the DC to conduct a magisterial inquiry.
Yeah. She has assured that she'll look into the matter. She'll order for a magisterial inquiry. That is what the Deputy Commissioner has already. She assured us that she'll take up the matter and she'll pursue for a magisterial inquiry. But the exhumation of the body, I don't know whether we'll have to take the court's order or not, because the family is asking for the exhumation of the body also, so that histopathology can be done on the victim. No, they filed an FIR on the 16th of May. They filed an FIR, and they've also sent a letter to the SP discussing this. However, there has been no initiative for exhumation of the body as of yet, so they are a bit stressed out regarding that also, because they want the body to be exhumed and histopathology to be conducted.
Since it is 2 months now,
It's part of the government, but we are not pointing finger at the government also. We are not pointing finger at anybody at the moment. We just want that the family get a good closure. We are not accusing anybody. From our side, we don't know the whole story also. But whatever the facts that our clan members and the family members is presented to us, we feel like it is worth pursuing, because you see, justice should be provided to anybody.
what is the status of the police inquiry?
The police has not disclosed anything as of yet.
They are continuing with the inquiry.
They are continuing with the inquiry, but as per the family members and the clan members, they have not interrogated most of the people who were involved in the whole incident, because the person who informed the parents and the elder sister about the finding of the dead body, even that person has not been identified as of yet. The family member cannot identify that person, but that person claimed to be a faculty member of the Polytechnic Institute and a Garo from Tura itself, from Aglangli locality of Tura. But the family member does not know who that person is. So they want to know also. Because you see, we could not get all the materials. The family members could not get hold of the materials, because like I said, the post-mortem report and everything, it was never given to the family members. So they are very sad about that.
But yes, it has been late, but there is a saying better late than never. So the family members approach us. Only after they approach us, we got to know about this whole issue also. Because just like every other people, we also thought that it was a case of suicide. But after the family members showed us the pictures, the burn marks, the scratch marks, everything that was found in the body, only after that we also thought so. It looks a little suspicious, so it should be taken up. That's why we when sent for histopathology, this has been struck down. All of this number 6, postmortem report, has been struck down. This number 6. That's why they are not happy with this. The family members and the clan members, they are not happy. Because you see, in I don't know about the Khasi society, but in the Garo society, the clan members are equivalent to family members. So the clan members, they are not happy, and the family members, the immediate family members, they are also not happy. Now they have got hold of it. I think 1 week back they got a hold of the postmortem report. Only 1 week back.
What did they mention in the
No. It was not mentioned. It was postmortem is like because of hanging only. But the family members are not convinced with the postmortem report because they are saying that histopathology was not done. So according to them, it should have been done. There is the conclusion of the postmortem report. But then I'll show you the report also. They just struck down the histopathology part.